셋, 별.
So, hello everyone. We're going to present you our persona, and this is our based on our observation about the cleanliness of the comfort room. So, we come out with the idea of persona's name is Hygienic Hida. Si Hida ay isang estudyante ng College of Education na kung saan pinaparatili niya ang kalinisan sa katawan at sa kanyang paligid. So, she's the demographic profile ni Hida. She is 19 years old, a female, single, status, classification, and she is a sophomore student. So, for her social lifestyle, social family lifestyle, her days begin with personal hygiene habits like through skincare and creating a tidy space for breakfast. Takes a lead in cleaning common areas such as living room and kitchen. Is strict about maintaining cleanliness at home. So let's move on to the hobbies, likes, and dislikes of Hygienic Hida. Hygienic Hida, her hobbies is dancing, reading, and cooking, while likes niya naman is singing, watching K-drama, makeups, and skincare. So next, the motivation.
Motivations to maintain a hygienic space for comfort rooms. Also to promote well-being and prevent illness. Challenges and pain points. Inadequate hand sanitizers and poor hygiene signages. Also, comfort rooms doesn't serve its purpose of comfort. Ito yung first thing na nakita ng kailangan pagbigyan pansin when it comes to hygiene. Dahil sa kadahilanang hindi na-limit yung comfort na dapat nasa isang CR. Defining goals. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Also, dirt to only matter out of place. Top 3 needs. I need a conducive environment of comfort room. I need to maintain the cleanliness of the comfort room. I need appropriate structure design and directional signs for my hygiene guidance.
So for our needs statement, I need a hygienic and user-friendly comfort room with modern design that promote well-being and potentially smart technology integrated sanitation and area. So for the next video, they're going to present you our one big concept.
One big concept. So, our one big concept entitled Hygiene Switch. So, what is all about Hygiene Switch? Hygiene Switch is a technological integrated area attached in comfort room. It is about sanitizer alone. It's a sanitation area with LED hygiene signage reminder to encourage proper hygiene. The LED signage works with solar and battery. Users can activate the sanitizer by placing their hands in the sensor below the sanitizer, reducing the need for direct contact and further minimizing the risk of contamination. Since it's in the comfort room, in addition to the sanitizer hygiene switch, features a tissue paper dispenser that can be easily refilled by opening the box, as well as a refillable sanitizer container. So, where user can simply put in more sanitizer as needed. To further emphasize the importance of hygiene switch, include a switching LED signage that displays reminders about cleanliness and proper hygiene practices, reinforcing that cleanliness is about priority. So, dito po sa hygiene switch na ito is nakapaloob it's all about cleanliness ng CR especially in the College of Education. Hinahayag din dito sa aming the one big concept LED hygiene signage na kung saan mas binabago, ginawang mas innovative ang signage ng CR, ginawa po siyang hygiene. In addition po, dito po sa aming hygiene switch, meron po siyang sensor na kung saan ilalagay mo po yung kamay mo and automatically mag-draft na po ang sanitizer. Next feature po ng aming hygiene switch is tissue paper dispenser na kung saan ito po ay napakagaling i-refill na kung saan tissue, pwede ko lang siyang buksan yung box at maglalagay ka na naman po ng another tissue.
The project not only emphasizes cleanliness but also incorporates sustainability through its dual-powered components, operating on both solar energy and rechargeable batteries, making it a highly eco-friendly and reliable solution. This ensures uninterrupted functionality even during power outages or in low-light conditions. With its seamless integration of technology and sanitation, Heidi Switch aims to create a culture of hygiene that benefits both students and the larger community. This initiative has the potential to extend its impact beyond school settings, becoming a model for public restroom and community spaces. So, beyond its emphasis on hygiene, Heidi Switch incorporates eco-friendly and sustainable solutions, making it suitable for broader application. Its dual-powered components operating on both solar energy and rechargeable batteries, aligning with environmental goals while ensuring reliability in various conditions. Heidi Switch also serves as a model not only in school but also in public places and community places. This innovative initiative fosters a healthier environment for users, reinforcing the importance for hygiene practices across different contexts.
Let me introduce to you our finished prototype, Heidi Switch. Heidi Switch works with the help of a battery or solar energy in case of interruption. It was installed with a sanitizer that activates when you put your hand in the sensor below the left part of Heidi Switch. We decided to use sensor to avoid direct contact for less contamination. On the upper part is the lid or the cup for refilling sanitizer. You can pour the sanitizer to refill. On the right part is the tissue dispenser. The tissue will be pulled below and can be refilled on the upper part.
But wait, there's more. Sanitation dispenser and tissue dispenser is not the only feature of Heidi Switch. This is the reason why Heidi Switch is set apart. Because it also has a switching LED hygiene guidance in front to further emphasize the importance of proper hygiene. At the back is a space for wiring for the LED hygiene guidance and sanitizer.